Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change letter spacing in Word. So the first step you need to do is to open Word and click on open. So once you open Word, so I need to add a text here. So this is my text. Okay, so let me move it to the center. Okay, now I want to change the spacing of my text. So let me select the text. Okay, and then you need to come on to the home tab and you need to click on this option. Once you are here, you can see advanced features, so you simply need to click on advanced, and here you can see spacing. So I want to expand, and here you can see by, so I want to expand up to 11.6, so it is up to you. So let me increase more. So here you can see a preview as well, so click on OK, and here you can see my letter spacing. So this is a process that you need to follow to change letter spacing in Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.